Third part, ready for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Ha! Are you ready for this energetic and dynamic movement? Let's start. Alright, stomp, and at the same time, you're gonna point with your arms like this. 1, then 2. Raise your left and clap under. 3 and 4. 1, 2. Then the same with the opposite side. 3 and 4. 1, 2. Let's practice this part with flavor slowly, like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Very easy. Got it? Now we are going to add the jumping flavor. With this technique, just a little jump with your right and kick back with the opposite. One more time, a jump and move forward your knee like this. 3 and 4. Very easy. One more time, you and me. And at the same time, you have to add the arms and the clap under, like this. 3 and 4. And when you have this movement, you have to put in all this part of the sequence. 1, 2, with the flavor. You can have different ways to make this part, like just like this. Or adding the jumping feeling, like this, 3 and 4. You can choose your favorite way. To continue, we're going to have this little nutcracker section from the North American stepping. 3 and 4. Boom, ta, ta, boom, ta, ta. I stomp with your right, raise your left knee, and clap over and under. 3 and 4. One more time. Boom, ta, ta. One more time. Boom, ta, ta. Now practicing with the left. 3 and 4. Boom, ta, ta. Got it? Both sides is going to be like this. 1, 2, you and me. Boom, ta, ta. Boom, ta, ta. Easy, huh? And finally, we're going to have chest, tie, tie, jump, jump, clap. To end the third section. Right, left, clap. Chest, tie, tie, jump, jump, clap. You have to practice slow and improve with the practice, with everyday practice. Chest, tie, tie, jump, jump, clap. With me, 1, 2, very slow. Chest, tie, tie, jump, jump, clap. And I say jump, jump, clap in these 2 stomps because it's like a jump, jump, clap, like a jumping feeling. Last time, you and me, chest, tie, tie, jump, jump, clap. Got it? Now let's put the melody together with this third part. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Tan 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 ta ri ra 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 ti ra ri ra ran pan. Okay, this is the third part. Let's continue with the final part, the fourth part. Last part, the fourth one. This one I think is easier. You just have to do like this. Jump, jump, clap. Jump, jump, clap. Jump, jump, ta, ke, ta. Let's begin with this one. So, 2 stomps to the right, left, clap, left, right, clap, and then right, left, clap, ke, ta, ta, ke, ta. So, let's go slow, please. 3 and 4. Jump, jump, clap, jump, jump, clap, jump, jump, ta, ke, ta, clap. This last part. Jump, jump, ta, ke, ta, clap. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Yeah. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, with me, but let's practice slow. 3 and 4. Jump, jump, clap. Jump, jump, clap. Jump, jump, ta-ke-ta, clap. With the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And then the last part is really easy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's really easy. Just stomp, point with your arms. 1 and 2 and then 3 and 4. This is I call it the heart clap with your heart. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and jump, jump, clap, stomp. And at the end of the song, you can do also like jump, jump, clap, stomp, and point. Okay? Let's practice this part. 1, 2, sing with me. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 bang. Okay, this is the fourth part, the final part. And finally, last recommendations or advices. First, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And other thing, okay, you can make different formations with many people. For example, at the first part, you can make this movement with some people, with some participants. And you can make another ones to have just a static position like this. To have different kinds of movement in the performance. Always have fun. If you have fun, other people will love your performance. Use your corporal expression like this. Smile. This is the big difference when you are doing a performance, using your whole flavor, your whole expression. Please give me your feedback, the comments here. Please share this post with everyone. And of course, Merry Christmas.